Oh, we got some storytellers for you, don't we? Don't we? And if it wasn't for that damn good citizen and you people, well, you know.
I don't know if you know this, but Aguilar's been falling apart since.
You're right, Johnson. You're right. You're right. Let's take a look.
Now I couldn't see who did the initial, who shoved TJ first.
I shoved him.
You shoved him?
Yeah.
Okay. It looked like initially you were trying to get
Yes.
middle
Well, I
of
was just initially trying to get everyone away.
Yeah, he
Okay.
was trying to.
I didn't want to fight anybody.
Okay.
I didn't want a confrontation at all.
And then after that, TJ, did he put you in a headlock?
He did.
Yeah, he did.
He did put me in a headlock. I was trying to get my uncle away from him, and he put me in a headlock. So that's why I tried to put him off with it when I busted my head.
So you busted your head when you guys fell?
Yes, when we fell.
Okay. Did TJ strike you at all after?
He tried to strike me. I mean, he put me in a headlock. I'd consider that attacking.
You'll see it on the video. I struck him.
I think anybody could consider a headlock hit.
But after that, you weren't swinging on him or anything like that?
No, and then just.
He was yelling for somebody to call the cops.
I was like, damn.
No, you didn't swing at him. You just kneed the crap out of him. That's all. That's all. And then how would she know what was said or what was done? She wasn't even there at that point in time. So why is she even giving statements? I mean, I guess she can't help herself, just like the meetings.
And there's a restraining order against Robert Avila. He's not supposed to harass me, yet he still keeps going to the town hall harassing me.
Right, harassing you. That has nothing to do with this current investigation.
But I mean, apparently, my whole family needs a restraining order because they can't
Then
go
I would
anywhere.
go.
I was at work the other day for the meeting. I just happened to look out the window. They're parked in the parking lot. These two are coming down, and they're flipping them off, cussing and yelling.
For her and Robert, but she wasn't even here for this.
Okay.
I'm going to use Deputy Johnson's words here.
You guys have all these cameras, you're always recording, but when you are the victim, somehow you magically don't have footage of this. Why is that?
That question was asked to us. I don't remember it ever being asked to any of the Cocas, especially Stephanie. Especially when she claims,
We're being harassed by these motherfuckers every day.
I like how my language is offensive, but everybody else's is okay.
My son was just assaulted by fucking Robert and good citizen because of my job. I want charges pressed on him. My son's face is all fucking full of cuts and shit.
Really? This was about her job? So she pulls the town of Aguilar into it. I wonder how the lawyer's going to feel about that one.
That other party, the Joshua Lloyd, is not from here. He's from Arizona. TJ's not from here. He's from Michigan.
Yeah, exactly.
The only one that's a local is Robert Avila.
Yeah.
So I have no idea why they're even in this town. I'm assuming because, again, they get to get away with murder, essentially.
Ooh, you guys aren't going to like to find out where I'm actually from.